Too many people running around the planet. What is the chance in heaven that you'll find your way to me? Tell me, what is the sweet sensation? It's a miracle that's happened. Though I'm searching for explanation, only one thing it could be, that I was born for you. It was written in the stars. Yes, I was born for you. And the choice was never ours. I said, if the powers of the universe conspire to make you mine, until the day I die, I bless today that I was born for you.